Good morning, my dear students. So, how are you? My dear students, in our previous class, we have discussed about prime factorization, in which we have studied two types of factorization. That is, first one is factor tree method and second one is division method. So by using these methods, we are going to discuss a new topic, that is HCF. HCF, highest common factor. What is HCF? HCF. Okay, so it means that highest common factor. Highest common factor. So here we can see a word common, which means for a problem there will be given two numbers. We need to find the common factor, highest common factor from those two numbers. That is we are going to discuss in this section. So, okay, let's move on to the topic by an example. The question is, find the HCF of 18 and 30. Find the HCF of 18 and 30. So here we have the numbers 18 and 30. Okay, for this we need to know the factors of both two numbers, factors of 18 and 30. So for that I am using division method. We know that division method, isn't it? So factors are, what are the factors of 18? What are the factors of 18? In the beginning of this chapter, we have discussed a method for finding the factors, isn't it? So we can write we can write 18 like what? 18 is equal to 1 into 18, isn't it? And also 18 is equal to 2 into 9, and again 18 is equal to 3 into 6, isn't it? Okay, now is there any number? Is there a factor means which is the number that is less than or equal to the given number? So the factors are must be less than 18 or equal to 18. The factors are 1, 2, 3. 4 into there is a no multiple of 4 which gives 18. 5, 6. 6 into 3 is 18, isn't it? So these are the factors. So we can write factors of 18. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. As like we need to find the factors of 30. So we are going to find the factors of 30 by using this method. Okay, so 30 we can write 30 is equal to 1 into 30, isn't it? And also we can write 30 is equal to 2 into what? 2 into 15, isn't it? And also we can write 30 is equal to 3 into what? 10. And next number is 4, but there is 4 into the multiple of 4, that is not 30, so we can't write like that. So we can next write 30 is equal to 5 into 6. So and again we can write 6, so 6 into 5. So already we have the number 6. So the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So these are the factors of 30. So here we have to study what? HCF, that is highest common factor. That means we need to find the highest common factor in these two numbers. Look at here. 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is also common, 6 is also common, isn't it? So in these two numbers, in 18 and 30, common factors are 1 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor and 6 is a common factor. So in which number is larger? Yes, 6. So we can say 6 is the highest common factor of what? 18 and 30. Okay, that means we need to find the highest common factor of a number by using this method. So we need to know that means we need to know the factors, all the factors of the given numbers. Okay, that will provide highest common factor of the given number. This is the one method. Okay, students. Now we are moving to the next method, that is by using prime factorization. So we have already discussed about prime factorization. So we need to find the HCF, that means highest common factor of a given two numbers by using prime factorization. That is I am going to explain. Okay, we are going to find HCF of two numbers by prime factorization. So for that we are using division method. So prime factorization has two methods, factor tree method and division method, in which we are going to use division method. So we are going to do an example for that. Okay, now let us find the HCF of two numbers, that is 54 and 72. 54 and 72 by prime factorization. Okay, so here we have the numbers 54 and 72. We need to find the HCF. We need to find the HCF of a given number 54 and 72 by prime factorization. So here we are going to use division method. First we need to find the prime factors. Okay, that is very simple, isn't it? So first we have to factorize 54. First prime number is 2. When we divide 54 by 2, we get the quotient 27. Okay, again, is 27 can divided by 2? No, 27 cannot divided by 2. So we use next prime number, that is 3. That is, we use 3. Then we can get 27 by 3. The answer is 9. And again we can divide the quotient 9 by next prime number 3. Here we get the answer 3. And now we divide 3. We get the answer 1. So from which we get the prime factors of 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. There is no need to write 1. Okay, so these are the prime factors of 54. Now we need to find the factors of 72. Okay, we divide 72. We divide 72 by 2 first. We get the answer 36 as quotient, and again we can divide 36 by 2. We get the answer 80, isn't it? And again we can divide it by 2. We get the answer 9. Then we divide 9 by 3 because 9 cannot divide it by 2. So we get the answer 3, and now we can divide 3 by 3. We get the answer 1. Okay, so here we have the prime factors of 72. Come on, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So these are the prime factors of given number 54 and 72. First we need to do this, and then next is very important. That is, we need to find the HCF of. We need to find the HCF of given numbers. What are the given numbers? 54 and 72. And HCF meaning highest common factor. So from which we need to know the common factors. So here we have a common factor here, isn't it? 2 and 2. So there is a one common factor, that is 2. First collect the common factors. First you have to collect the common factors. Now there is another 2 here, but there is no 2 here, isn't it? And now look at here. Is there any? Here is a 2, but there is no 2. Now we have another common factor 3. Write the 3. And again we have another factor, that is 3. So we have 2, 3, 3. These are the common factors here. So write those 3 factors and then multiply them. We get the answer 3 into 2, what? 6. 6 into 3, 18. So this is the HCF of 54 and 72. This means highest common factor of 54 and 72 is 18. This is the division method for finding, prime factorization method for finding the HCF of a two given numbers. What do? We just do the we just find the prime factors. Now first we have to find the prime factors of the given numbers. Then we need to know the which numbers are common in there. Common in them, that is 2 is common here, it is 1 times. So 3 is common and 3 it is 2 times. So that we take the numbers 2 and 3, then we multiply the given number, we get the answer 18. So this is the first method for finding HCF. This is HCF, isn't it? Let's do another example. Okay.